Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Once you open the ZEP application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and on the profile page you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down, find the Unpair button, and once you find it, tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair again, and wait. The watch will disappear from the list of my devices. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So now we can close the app, and just in case we can check the Bluetooth settings on our phone. And in Bluetooth you may see the AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro right here on the list of paired devices. If you see it, tap on the settings or info icon next to it. Actually, okay, disconnected. But if it was here at the top and it didn't unpair, you will need to tap on the settings icon or info icon next to it, then tap on Unpair or forget, and then forget it. For some reason it just did it automatically, but check in just in case, because it could be basically on the list of paired devices. And once you're done, that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.